Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu Nino's home updated. Start by separating eggs, brewing strong espresso, and chilling mascarpone. Whisk yolks with sugar until pale, fold in mascarpone, and whip whites to soft peaks. Dip ladyfingers briefly in espresso, layer with cream, and finish with a dusting of cocoa. Refrigerate to firm and serve chilled for best texture and flavor. In this segment, I share the ingredient list and small tips for balance. Use room temperature mascarpone for easy folding and brew the espresso slightly stronger than drinking strength. Keep ladyfingers crisp by dipping quickly and use granulated sugar dissolved into yolks to prevent graininess. A splash of liquor is optional, and a reserved spoonful of cream can smooth the top before the cocoa dusting. Quick recommendation and a small ad. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It truly supports the channel. On another note, a book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs surprisingly well with mastering kitchen habits and budgeting for quality ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Here are the technique tips that make or break your tiramisu. Fold mascarpone with yolk slowly, using under and over motions to keep air in the cream. Dip each ladyfinger for about 1 second per side, and layer without pressing down. Smooth the top lightly and cover to prevent fridge odors. Patience matters. Long chilling time improves flavor and structure, so plan ahead before serving to friends or family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.